Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a little barbecue on today's episode of Torre Vlogs. So tune in. There we go. We got the fire all brewing for you. Yep. Hello Lucy. We got Lucy here ready for the food. She likes when we cook barbecue. Here we go, that fire's going. Wow, almost melted my camera. Woo! Hey Gabriel, I'm filming my YouTube channel stuff. Today we're cooking
Gabriel,
some hamburger. Today we're cooking some hamburger patties. So here we go. We're about to season these up. Yep. What's our special seasoning? Ta-da! Trash. I'm just kidding. We don't use trash to season our patties. But tune in. Whoop. Hey, Lucy. More of Lucy, everybody. Say hi to Lucy. Bye, Lucy. Lucy, you want to play? Yeah? So this is what Lucy likes to eat, everybody. HEB brand crying chops. Yep, she's half Chihuahua, half Dachshund, I think. So, I don't know what to call that. But Chihuahua Dachshund mix. So what that be? She Dachshund or Dot Chihuahua or something? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna season these up. Hamburger deluxe seasoning. Look at that. That's all you need right there. Probably a little salt and pepper.
Yeah, a little bit. This has salt, pepper, and too.
Already comes with salt and pepper. Look at that dry rub. Stacked on it. It's enough dry rub to.
It smells good. Can you smell that?
Yep, I can smell the seasoning.
It's like garlic.
Good. So this is vampire proof. Your breath will actually scare away the. Oh, did you see that? That was a save on camera.
That was my fault.
It's alright. Don't be nervous.
Not nervous, I freaking literally.
Yeah. It just slipped out of your hand.
Yeah.
Yep. So yeah. There we go.
Those
Getting
cat
on.
reflexes.
Yeah, those were awesome, good reflexes catching that patty. Did you see that, everybody? Comment down below if you've ever had to drop something and caught it in midair, like he just did. Good content though. Makes makes it a little bit more exciting this season, catching patties.
Catching patties.
Yeah. Look at that stack. It is huge.
I should probably stack it all the way up. Not a good idea. Especially after catching that one.
2 groups of 4 would be kind of cool.
I mean, I can do all of them at one time.
Catch them all one time?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be kind of
cool.
You have to be using your feet and stuff.
Yeah.
Yep. Hey, 3-second roll. That's right. That's a lot of leftover seasoning at the bottom. What do we do with the leftover seasoning? You put it on top?
You put it on the grill.
You put it on the grill? Oh, nice.
Empty it all over.
Dude, you're just going to town on that seasoning. No wonder these burgers taste so extra special. See, I bought these patties once and I cooked them and I'm like, oh, these taste like regular ground beef. There's something special that he's doing for these burgers. And there we go. Grab this for my channel.
Good.
Focus.
There we go.
Nice. Ready to eat.
This is trash.
Alright, here we go. Yeah. Still has a lot of strong flame. Record. Yeah, so it does have a lot of strong flames. Just checking on the fire. You want the fire to reduce down and have a little bit, the coals ready, nice and red, and the flames a little bit lower. You don't want your flames be touching the actual grill before you put the patties in. Alright, time to put the meat in. What she said. That's what she said.
Here, Lucy.
Yeah,
Too far. Close to the
Alright, good job. Throw all the rest of it on it. Very good. Good job, Chris.
Yeah,
Close it up.
Smell that. It smells good.
It smells like the wood. You can smell the wood in that.
I can smell that.
Lens cap would be good.
Oh, you have the lens cap on?
And let's check on the meat. Checking on the meat. It's good. That light shines really good. How much did you pay for that?
Oh, I forgot. Got it from Dick's.
Sporting Goods?
Yeah.
Y'all don't know what Dick's is? Look at my vlog. Yeah, we went to Academy and Dick's Sporting Goods. They always have handy things for us men to use. See how he kind of looked like he gently looks underneath the patties to make sure that you're cooking, searing okay. See, all the coals have lit. So see, there's no big flames, and all the wood is pretty much burned up, and it's just providing some smoke after the coals of the wood are really small and just smoking the meat. Look at that, the big flip is coming. Get out of the, flip them over. But man, they're cooking really good.
All of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
All that smoke.
Perfect timing.
Good job, they'll be ready pretty soon, right?
Yeah, like a little bit. Just
Couple minutes.
they look good, right? Like nice and juicy and
But how long do you think it's gonna cook it? Like 15 minutes? 20 minutes?
like 10.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow.
But I can't tell you for sure because I put wood in there, so it cooks a little bit faster.
Faster with wood, yeah.
Let's close it already. Alright, let's go.
So we got the cheese, we're gonna do toasted buns. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. What do I do with this?
Open it. Pull it open.
Pull it up.
Pull it.
No, and it turns on. Perfect.
Does it flip? We're good already. I'm gonna put the cheese on right now. I can't even see.
So much smoke, right?
Yeah. They're freaking perfect.
Oh, they're done. Basically. put the buns. So the buns are getting smoked and toasty. Toasty! And we put the cheese. Oh yeah. Usually use a side table, right?
No.
Oh, you do
This is
help
actually easier with this.
holding it like that?
Yeah. Because I usually do it on a little plate and
Ah,
freaking
okay.
hard to do.
On plates.
This is easier. I just never made this many burgers at one time.
With 8?
Yeah. Not in this little
The
pit.
challenge. That was a challenge. A little small pit, 8 burgers. We did it. There's some room right there on the side for the last ones. Also on the side over here.
This is just to warm them up, basically.
Don't have to be perfect.
Woo!
Ah, mission accomplished. There we go. Flip them. Flip them by hand. Want me to make it all the way open?
Hopefully, it doesn't burst into flames in a second.
Or with all the...
Once it's smoking like that,
Yeah,
it means it's like...
It's gonna burst flames. So. And look at all that smoke. Smoked, toasted buns. San Antonio, Texas style. Look at that. It already looks ready to eat. Bottom, top. Bottom. Top. And inside all we do is put all the fixings and eat. And it's people, whoever tells you that coronavirus dies from smoke, no, it does not. Coronavirus will survive through smoke. Comment down below if you know what temperature the virus actually dies at.
Here, Lucy.
Lucy barking in the background. She smells the burgers. Dude, you did that professionally well. Pro style. That's right. Hot. The back is hot. You might have to use the... Oh, you got them all. You got them all. 2 more patties left. Oh, all 8. Mission accomplished. All right. Close up the grill.
Okay, can you close it?
And we're all done. Oh, I need to turn off that light. That's a wrap, guys.